don't know, 150, 200 yards away, and it's real loud, real windy. I'm having to fight to stay from keeping off the shore here. Swimmer to the door. This is pretty cool. This is epic, man. Loving this. And to think I almost went for a regular beach lunch today. I would have missed this. Diver in the water. Signaling he's okay. Looks like they're gonna get ready for a hoist, maybe. Looks like the swimmer's going into the fast boat right there. That was pretty cool. I wonder if they're going to come to a pickup now. I mean, you see this kind of stuff on Deadliest Catch and stuff like that. You don't really get to see this in person a whole lot. Pretty cool. Alright, I don't see a diver in the water. I'm guessing he's on the fast boat right now. Here they come. That downdraft. Oh baby, that's long. Good training for if I'm ever in some type of an incident and I need to be near where a helo is. Maybe there's a person in the water or something like that and I'm first on scene. I can't do much but stand by, you know. There goes a line in the water, trailing line. Seen that on Deadliest Catch. Alright, they're going to take a trailing line to the boat. Looks like they're going to try and get somebody off of the boat. Let's get up a little closer here. Man, look at those winds just push that boat around. getting everything ready, getting up early, all my morning stretches, all the extra stretches I did to get myself kind of together today. This stuff right here is kind of what makes me proud to be an American, man. Proud to be our country. You know, look at that. Some of America's finest right there. Swimmer hoist is almost complete. I don't know what's going on with my voice here. Going through late stage puberty, I guess. Further up, this would be hurricane force winds, but it's dissipated by out here, and even out here it's still pretty wicked here. Woo, okay, keep going. I think that is it. I think that is the demonstration they were hoping to do. Man, that was cool. Alright, let's get everything set up and start heading back out. Whew. Choppy. Alright, after a good 15-20 minute, finally out at the mouth of the harbor here. Got a decent swell, it looks like. Not too choppy. I think we should be able to manage out there. Trying to decide how far out I want to go though. Try and get down to the pier that's down this way. It's like a half mile down the beach, maybe a mile. Whew. Tuckered out here. get out of the harbor a little bit more. And I need to get my squid rod down. Only in 15 feet of water though. Marking some life. Yeah, it's a good 3-foot swell. Honestly, any sharper, and I don't know if I'd be out in this. Especially on my own. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how comfortable I am going out there right now. He's oh, fucking A. Don't break, don't break, don't break. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Was I heading in too far? Oh man. That one looked like it was gonna break. Ooh, these swells are building here. Yeah. Ooh. Decisions, decisions, decisions. All right. Whatever we're gonna do, we're gonna keep moving. I think we're gonna head that way a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna make it to my spot that I was hoping to make it to today. So I should actually probably give my wife a call and let her know, because they're gonna be at the beach over there and they're gonna be looking for me. So I don't think, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to make it there. So I'm going to call and I'll come back when I have a plan here. Okay. So, called, let her know that I'm not going to be where I was going to be. Then I realized that my radio was not clipped to my life jacket. I thought I couldn't find it anywhere. Started kind of worrying a little bit because it's one of the pieces of gear that kind of gave me a little more peace of mind to be out here. I've got the DHF feature, and that gives me the ability to just press a button and let everybody know I'm in distress, and people will come. But my smart butt didn't tie it to anything, so I thought it was gone. Started paddling back and did a quick double check on my kayak and noticed that it was kind of in a out of the way spot that I couldn't really get to. So yeah, crisis averted. We're back. We're in 20 feet of water. This is supposed to be sandy bottom. I'm hoping to, you know, just kind of drift here for halibut. I've got a bucktail traveling behind me, and and about 2 feet up I have a dropper loop and a hook. I think it's a 2-aught Mutu circle hook, and I just put some squid on it. Everything out here will eat squid. But yeah, getting out here and fighting the swells here. I know it probably doesn't look too big on camera. There are some occasional ones that come through, and they're easy 4 feet. Marine report didn't say anything about 4-foot swells, but it did say 2 to 3. So the occasional 4-foot, I guess, isn't unheard of. Checking the monitor, hoping that I run into some bait here. I'd like to catch some. Hoping to do a lobster fishing this year, but we'll see. I need to get a little more experience under my belt. Today and maybe tomorrow is a good day to get some experience in. Weather is kind of cooperating. Like I'm not the only one out here looking for maybe some halibut. There's some boats out here. Look like they're trolling along the bottom here, hoping. A little bit deeper water here. Drop my bait down a little bit. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and stop here. We'll just keep going along. Hopefully I run across something. We'll come back when I do. Alright, we just ran through some mackerel. I had 2 on my sabiki. Only caught 1 though. 1 got out off, and of course I didn't get any of it on camera. Oh, looks like I got some on the bottom here. Where is it at here? Anything on? No. Fish on. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Come here, big guy. Let's go right in. Oh, so many hooks. Sorry, bud, you're staying in. if any of that I caught on camera. I wonder if I can move this over here, if that'll help me at all. I can't get full strokes on my right foot, but we caught something. Hey, it's first fishes on my kayak. No good spot for that. I have to figure out a different bait situation here. All right, we've been out about an hour total. We only have 3 mackerel. I had a school come through. I was able to pick up a few different ones. Found the school one more time, and now we're just searching. My squid is still going. So that rod is still working, which is nice. Swells are still pretty much the same. I'm starting to get a little more comfortable out in it. I just, still don't really want to turn my back to it, so I'm trying to keep myself kind of angled, kind of towards it. But finding myself getting pushed back into shore here. I'm in 18 feet of water. I kind of want to stay in between 20 and 30. Would be my preference. Trying to work myself out a little bit. And my first time having to pee on the kayak. That was an interesting thing. I'm sitting here peeing down in and be able to get it down through one of the holes here, so it wasn't actually getting on my kayak, but I wasn't peeing off of it because I don't want to lean out. And the wind ended up spinning me around. I was my back to the beach, and then it turned around, and the next thing I know, I'm being right towards the beach. But pretty much I'm far enough away that it wasn't a charge waiting to happen. But we'll see. I haven't seen a harbor patrol or any type of law enforcement looking out saying, "Hey, you need to keep that thing in your pants." But yeah. That was interesting. Anyway, still on the hunt. Just wanted to give a quick little update. I don't know what you can see out there. Got a couple boats. I don't know if you can see the island is just peeking through. That would be Anacapa right out there. Visibility isn't good enough to see Santa Cruz Island. There's one of the oil rigs about halfway out. But yeah, anyways, back to the hunt. You have no business making waves like this. You see me in the water. You see me in the water, man. Well, at least I'm pointed into it. There it is. Oh, come on, man. You could have slowed. Whoa. I'm not sure how that looked on the camera, but whoa. That, to the best of my knowledge, that is what all kayakers do not want you to do. I mean, he had this whole ocean. Look, I'm gonna spin around here a little bit. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. So he had no business coming this close. I mean, look how close I am to the shore. I mean, really. And of course I had the radio going. Yeah. That's just definitely something that is, I don't know, not cool. It's kind of dangerous for us. You know, fortunately he saw me. You know, but he was up on plane. He very easily could have missed me. I mean, I'm wearing super bright yellow. You know, I want to be seen. I want people to see me. So boaters, if you see this, do us kayakers all a favor and either slow down when you're going to pass us, or, man, just take a wider berth. Let the wake dissipate a little bit by the time it gets to us here. Like, I don't know if you see it. I'm going to try and pan over here, but there's a boat. He was on the same track as that other guy, but it looks like he went out further. So we'll pan over to him. See if you can see it. You know, it took the boat nothing. Absolutely nothing to go out a little bit further. I mean, he's not even that much further out. He's another, what, 400 yards? 500 yards? But in that distance, the wake is going to dissipate quite a bit. Spread out. Hopefully be easier, you know, on me to stay up. Anyway, still on the hunt. Just ate some lunch. Getting back to some pedaling here and working some ground. Hit you back when we hopefully are hooked up to a fish. Oh man, alright. Oh, quick little update. I have a major cramp in my left thigh. Ow. I'm not too sure I can pedal with my left leg at the moment. Ooh. Fortunately, I got my paddle. I'm trying to decide if I need to just go ahead and head on in. It's already 1:30. I was hoping to be out till 3. But I don't want to push it. I need to make sure I get in. I'm trying to massage it out. I've been drinking. Ooh. Whew, man. Well, no bites other than those 3 mackerel that I got earlier. Changed around my squid a little bit. Still haven't hit anything on that. Not seeing much in the way of big marks, but honestly what I'm trying to find, I'm not going to really see any marks. I'll see contours on the bottom, but that's about it. Alright, I really need to get out to deeper water, we're to 20 feet. Just take it slow. I think I'm just gonna start working my way back over there to the mouth of the harbor. Just taking it easy. Hopefully I've come over some bait here and get some more mackerel maybe. I mean, obviously the ideal would be to have some something take my squid or something. Whew. Oh, my leg. It's getting a little bit better. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of keep heading back towards the mouth of the harbor. See if we come across anything on the way over there. But yeah, we'll come back when we have something else to update you with. Oh, but look at that view. Honestly, just sitting out here, bobbing in the waves here. Not too bad. My water bottle so it's not rolling around. All right, we'll see you soon. All right, small update. I've picked up my squid line, and I'm not paddling anywhere. My legs are. My second leg, my right leg now, is also cramping up. So I'm paddling all the way back. I'm making some progress. Hopefully, I'll give my neck and arms, and shoulders, and core a little bit of a break and use the pedals in a minute. But for right now, just paddle, paddle, paddle. Just keep paddling, just keep paddling, 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 just keep paddling. All right, well, we're in the harbor mouth here. I'll try and successfully navigate the harbor entrance here with all of the traffic. Hopefully people take the no wake seriously. I'm having a huge cramp right now on both my legs. So I am paddling. Ow, wow. Major cramp. I must be dehydrated. Granted, I probably did the most pedaling I've done in a while. Done ever. But I mean, I've been walking, a few miles a day for a while now. I had a week or so off. I had a really rough week. Well, 2 weeks almost. But we're limping back in. We're gonna make it though. Oh, man, my leg. Like there's some bait right here, but I don't have it in me to do any of that right now because ow, my leg is killing me. That's why even on a pedal kayak you need to have a good paddle. You need to have some paddling skills and or be developing them like me. I shouldn't be doing this right now, but I'm doing it anyway. Just trying to get my reel, my sabiki rig, reeled up so I don't catch any kelp or anything on the way and get snagged. As I did it, I, stopped looking. Oh, man. Really wish I could pedal right now. But I think I need a little bit longer of a break. Oh man, my legs are screaming. Oh, I wish I could have stayed out longer. That was a good day. Got my first fish on here, even though they're just mackerel, but fish is a fish. Alright, we're in 5 feet of water here. I need to keep an eye on this. And we got some boats with some wake coming. Woo! It's a nice boat, big boat, nice little work boat. I say little, but 5 feet, 4 feet. Alright, just angle out a little bit here. Bunch of sea lions here. California sea lions. They're bandits. They are bandits. But they're pretty cool. Nonetheless. Alright, this is actually going to be kind of my first beach landing, even though it is, inside the harbor. Oh, my legs are screaming. Alright, I think we're gonna call it here. Don't need to see me recover. There's no waves, so it's, just like pulling up to any of the launches. Any of the boat ramps. So, I'm not expecting any issues. Just gotta pull up my rudder and my pedals. In fact, I'll probably do that pretty soon since I'm pretty much paddling anyway. But yeah, didn't catch a whole lot, but today was a good day. Got more comfortable on the kayak, got a lot of time out on there. Caught the first fish, small though they are. So yeah, hope you guys will join me on some of my next adventures. Like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next time.